Hello everyone. Today on Shark Can Cook, we are making a zucchini lasagna roll-up. So let's get started. You will need 3 large zucchinis. And what you want to do is cut the ends off. Now put your zucchini aside, and we're going to use a mandolin. Now, if you don't have one, you can use just a regular knife and slice them up. But you want your slices to be 1/8 of an inch thick. Now this is what they should look like. 1/8 of an inch thick, because you want to be able to roll it up. And if it's too thick, you won't be able to do that. Okay, I'm going to finish up cutting these up and I'll be back. Now the last one, I'm putting a guard in place so I don't cut my fingers. I've already done that, so I don't want to do it again. Now you're going to need a cookie sheet lined with paper towels. Place your zucchini strips on the paper towel. Add your other zucchini strips. You might need about 3 cookie sheets. I'm going to salt these 2 right up here right now. You just want to sprinkle some salt on there so it drains the water from the zucchini. Set that aside. You want to let them drain for about 10 minutes. While you're waiting for 10 minutes, I'm going to slice up the mozzarella cheese. You're going to want to slice up at least a cup of mozzarella cheese. Put that aside. This is where you want to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. To a small bowl, add 1 cup of ricotta cheese, whole milk, 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese, 1 egg, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Then mix that up together. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now you're going to want to set that aside. Spray a 2-quart casserole dish. Now, if you were going to double this recipe, you would put it in a 13 by 9 inch casserole dish. Put a little bit of marinara sauce on the bottom. Spread it out. Now set that aside. Now we're going to want to pat our zucchini dry. Put some more paper towels on the top just to make sure everything gets absorbed. Okay, they look pretty dry. Pretty good. Now we're going to start to assemble the zucchini. To each zucchini, add a little cheese mixture. A little bit more there. And then you're going to put on some marinara sauce, a thin layer. And now sprinkle some mozzarella on there. Now, gently roll them up. And you want to stick that in your casserole dish, standing up. And I'll show you in just a little bit what it looks like. Okay, now bake in a 400-degree oven, and you want the zucchini to be tender and the cheeses to be melted. It's about 20 minutes. See you in 20. That is really tasty. That's a good way to use up your zucchini if you have a lot of them in your garden. So I hope you give this a try, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.